Good afternoon. How y'all doing? I know I'm a little behind on the videos. This video that I'm about to upload is a little snippet of everything we did the week we got home. And the next couple videos will be us flying out to get the truck and driving back with the new truck. So stay tuned and we will keep you informed. Why are you so glum?
They're talking about giving me shots in my arms. I don't know about all that.
Yeah.
Every time they give me a shot, it was for my back. I should have told her that. That was when I was in my 40s. Man, I shouldn't hit that big guy so hard. I don't know how many shots he got.
I don't know.
I know that the one they shot to give me, she said she'd be half dosed, and it knocked me out. I mean, it knocked me down.
Yeah.
Remember?
Oh,
Jim and them had to come and get the truck. I couldn't drive.
I do remember because me and two other nurses had to get you to the vehicle.
Man, it was...
That's a dead weight man right there, folks. So we think he has bone spurs in his shoulders. The doctor will be in shortly to tell us one way or the other.
It's affecting my good time.
Is it good?
Oh yeah. We're here at Tony's in Fernandina Beach.
Florida.
Yep, back home.
And look at that salad, folks. That's a Greek salad. And I got the same thing.
Oh yeah, you can't.
And we got chicken on top, but she forgot to bring her chicken, so she went back to get it. We just needed some roughage today. Now look at that Greek salad. Yummy.
It's outstanding.
Definitely. Sweet. We also ordered some lasagna. Well, I must tell you, the lasagna is delicious. I saved him a little bit.
About salad. A lot of salad.
It's good. How is it? How is it?
Good.
This is one of our favorite places. Yep, he had to go get blood work today.
Oh, I didn't want to come home. I'm gonna wait till I get home.
I can pull it off for you.
Oh no, I'm gonna wait. Get some scissors or something. Dang. It hurt.
Oh, poor baby.
I'll wait.
Okay, so this is the next day after the MRIs.
Yeah, everybody's tracking my progress.
And what's going on?
I get the shots today.
He's so excited, y'all. Look at that face.
Needles at all. I'd rather deal with a moccasin or a rattlesnake other than a needle.
All right, take your shirt off for me if you will.
So what did the doctor tell you?
Oh, my doctor said that I had some inflammation and some normal wear and tear for my age in my shoulders. And said right now, they give me shots.
How'd that go?
It was all right. I made it. I don't like needles. I never have liked needles. But anyway, I'd rather deal with a rattlesnake or something over needles. Spider, whatever. Monster, whatever. Anyway, so we're going to see how this goes. And if it works, it could be good for a year or less. There's no guarantee. But we'll see how it goes. That way I don't have no surgery right now.
Yeah, he says he has no tears. So that's a good thing.
No muscle tears, just normal wear, and it's a little bit of inflammation stuff. The left one more than the right one. The right shoulder, I've been having numbness problems in my arms. That affects me when I drive. The left one, I can't hold it up too long because it starts hurting in the shoulder and my arm.
This will alleviate a lot of that.
So the shots will help, supposedly. And he says, we'll just do this right now, see how it goes. And, I said, okay. And
sweet. So that changes our plans a little bit.
Yeah, we can schedule some things now. But I still have one more MRI to go through later in the month.
Yeah.
So because of the sickness I got when I was in Arizona, it knocked me down for a month. I had a bladder and kidney infection. They seen some stuff on me that needs to be looked at, and the doctors want me to have the doctor out there recommended when I see my primary care physician to get an MRI, and I give my doctor here in Fernandina all that information, and he's ordered up an MRI, and I need to go do that. So we'll see what happens.
All right. We will.
Okay.
Talk to you soon.
All right. Take care, folks.
Bye.
Take care of yourselves. All right.
Papa playing with the grandbabies, showing them how to ride bikes in the traffic. Not too much traffic here in the neighborhood, though. Daughter-in-law calls him the kid whisperer.
Hot, super hot, right there. Hot, hot, hot. Good Lord, it's hot. Burn it up. You're on fire. Oh, still hot. Woo! There she goes. Goodness gracious.
Well, don't bark at me. What do you want?
What are you doing? What is it? You got an itch? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's what it is. She wants her bugs and gnats, and ants got her. Told you not to sit in that ground out there.
Now she's happy as can be.